Welcome to Milo's Miles, ladies and gentlemen. This is called Range Day with Milo. We've got some cups stacked up, plus we have a whole bunch of Zulu cans stacked up as well. The blasters we're going to be using two off-brand blasters. A clone of an ECS-10 from X Toy Z running the new watermelon darts, and a clone of a Nerf Strife with a very nice body kit on it running good old-fashioned elite darts. The clone strife is going to be after those targets right there, and the clone of the ECS-10 will be after these guys. Without any further ado, my son Milo is ready. Pick your blaster.
I feel like this one. So maybe. Ow. It's not a bad one.
Now for the clone of the ECS-10.
This one's like a little mini powerhouse.
That's pretty good shooting there, Tex. In any event, I hope you enjoyed our little shooting demo. I mean, you love that clone ECS-10, Milo, don't you?
I also like the clone stripe too.
In any event, this is Milo's Mods signing off.